The amount of batteries in here. I've never seen a drone come with this many 450 batteries. That is amazing. It's got some Emacs and it's got 4 of a different company brand. So I don't know what that's all about. None of them are puffy. So it looks like they're all going to be great. Wait, did I just miscount again? I just miscounted. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 5 attached to the charger and 2 more. You guys do the math. I can't do the math. Unless...
4 plus 2 more. 6.
6. There we go. 6. That's why we have kids, so they can do the math for you.
So that parents can be lazy?
That's right. That's right. That's how you do it. Lazy parenting. The best parenting. This is not a parenting video. Do not listen to me. Don't try this at home and don't take any parenting advice from me.
Likey.